Small business owners are quietly using AI to handle the work of 3 employees without paying 3 salaries. While your competitors are still doing everything manually, the smart operators have already handed off their email, their scheduling, their marketing, and their customer service to AI tools that cost less than a tank of gas per month. If you're running a business and not using these tools yet, you're not just behind, you're working harder than you need to. Welcome to Node Pulse, where we break down AI and technology in ways that actually make sense for real people running real businesses. Today we're going deep on AI tools specifically designed for small business owners. Not theory, not hype, actual tools you can open on your laptop today and start using. Whether you run a service company, a retail shop, a trades business, or a solo operation, what I'm about to share can give you back hours every single week. The reality of running a small business in 2026 is brutal. You're wearing 15 hats. You're the CEO, the salesperson, the customer service rep, the marketer, and the accountant, all at the same time. You're working 60-hour weeks and still feeling like you're barely keeping up. The business wasn't supposed to feel like this. Here's the shift that's happening right now. AI tools have gotten good enough and affordable enough that small business owners are automating the work that used to eat half their day. We're not talking about big tech companies with million-dollar budgets. We're talking about a one-person electrical contractor, a local gym owner, a freelance designer, using the same tools that Fortune 500 companies use for $20 a month or less. Let's break it down by category so you know exactly where to start. Category 1 is communication and customer service. This is where most small businesses waste the most time. You're answering the same questions over and over. You're following up on leads that go cold because you didn't get back to them fast enough. You're writing emails at 11 at night because there weren't enough hours in the day. Tools like ChatGPT and Claude can draft professional emails, follow-up messages, and customer responses in seconds. You give it a rough idea of what you want to say, and it writes a polished version. It's not perfect every time, you still review it, but it gets you 80% of the way there in 10 seconds instead of 10 minutes. Multiply that across 50 emails a week, and you're getting back hours of your life. For customer service specifically, tools like Tidio and Intercom let you set up AI chatbots on your website. A customer visits at 2 in the morning, has a question, the chatbot handles it, qualifies the lead, and books them on your calendar, all while you're asleep. You wake up to new appointments instead of missed opportunities. That's not the future. That's available right now. Category 2 is marketing and content. Creating consistent marketing content used to require either a marketing team or hours of your own time you didn't have. That equation has completely changed. Canva's AI tools now let you design professional graphics, social media posts, flyers, and ads with no design background whatsoever. You describe what you want, it generates options, you pick one and tweak it. A contractor with zero design experience can now produce content that looks like it came from an agency. For copywriting, tools like Jasper and Copy.ai help you write ad copy, website text, product descriptions, and email campaigns. You give them context about your business and your audience, and they generate drafts you can edit and publish. The days of staring at a blank page trying to figure out what to write are over. For video content, and this is big, tools like InVideo and Pictory can turn a script or even a blog post into a polished video with stock footage, voiceover, and captions. No camera, no editing experience, no production team. This is exactly how channels like this one produce content at scale. Category 3 is operations and scheduling, and this is where AI becomes a genuine game changer for service businesses. Calendly combined with an AI chatbot can automate your entire booking flow. A customer lands on your website. The chatbot asks qualifying questions, figures out what they need, checks your availability, and books them without you touching anything. Every missed call can become a booked appointment automatically. Notion AI and ClickUp both have AI built directly into their project management platforms. You can ask them to summarize a project, generate a task list from a meeting note, or write standard operating procedures for your team. For a business owner trying to build systems so the business can run without them, This is massive. For accounting and finances, QuickBooks now has AI built in that categorizes expenses automatically, flags unusual transactions, and even forecasts your cash flow based on historical patterns. You're not replacing your accountant, but you're walking into every financial conversation with better data and fewer surprises. Category 4 is hiring and training. Even the hiring process has AI now. Platforms like Workable and Breezy HR use AI to screen resumes so you're not reading through 100 applications manually. You set the criteria, the AI ranks and shortlists candidates, and you only spend time on the people who actually meet your standards. For onboarding and training, tools like Trainual let you build your training materials once, videos, checklists, standard procedures, and deliver them consistently every time you bring someone new on. No more training the same thing 5 different ways to 5 different people. You build it once, the system delivers it perfectly every time. Category 5 is sales and lead follow-up, and this might be the highest leverage category of all. Studies show that the average business follows up with a lead once or twice before giving up. The businesses that follow up 5, 6, 7 times close dramatically more deals. The problem is, nobody has time to manually follow up that many times. Tools like Go High Level, HubSpot, and even basic email automation let you set up follow-up sequences that run automatically. A lead comes in, they get a text within 5 minutes, an email within an hour, a follow-up 3 days later, another one a week after that, all without you doing anything. The businesses using this right now are closing deals their competitors don't even know they lost. The question people always ask is, where do I start? And the answer is simple. Pick one area of your business that's costing you the most time right now. Is it answering emails? Start with ChatGPT. Is it booking appointments? Start with Calendly and a chatbot. Is it following up with leads? Start with an automation tool. Get good at one tool. See the time and money it saves you. Then add another. You don't need all of this at once. You need one tool working well, then another, until you've built a business that runs more on systems than on your personal effort. The business owners who thrive over the next 5 years will not be the ones who work the hardest. They'll be the ones who work the smartest. And right now, working smart means knowing how to use AI as a force multiplier for everything you do. That's the breakdown on AI tools for small business owners. Every tool I mentioned today is either free or has a free tier to get started. There's no excuse not to start this week. If this was useful, subscribe to Node Pulse. We drop new videos every week breaking down AI and tech in ways that actually help you run a better business. See you in the next one.